Fantastic. Thought this was an ice cream, didn't you? Well, it's not. It's actually one of Sue Lamb's very finest stocks that's been grown especially for us in Lincolnshire, and it's in your box this week. Let's see what we've got to go with it. First up, we've got some crispy white phlox, some lovely white blooms, some glorious alstroemeria, and some vintage classical looking greenbell. And of course, these glorious white stocks. Don't forget your flower care. Trim an inch off the end of all your stems. And use your flower food. Let's get them in the vase. Start with your blooms in an even triangle around the edge of the vase. Do the same with your phlox, filling the gaps. Follow the shape around with your slightly shorter stocks. Add your alstroemeria a little more centrally. And finish with your lovely stem of greenbell, slap bang in the middle, and pull its branches out and through your other flowers. Whip off the nets of your blooms, give it a few days for your alstroemeria to burst open, and it'll look absolutely splendid. Enjoy!